Hi, my name is Klaus, your inspector today, inspecting this Volvo V60 for you. The bodywork is good, I can confirm only rear section has been damaged. Right, obviously I've seen the pictures, observing the pictures. So the both rear quarter panels are sprayed, this door are sprayed, obviously visible respray marks, cluster damage on this side. There is a slight gap issue. I'm suspecting, because there's a repair in the middle of this quarter panel, it's been stretched and moved, as there's a very fine gap issue on this. It's too narrow compared to the other side, in a midsection of the arch between the door. Obviously, as in the pictures, it doesn't look severe damage. However, obviously, it is both ends. Their visual movement. Obviously, this one the Valance floor haven't been repaired properly at all. It's just been stretched out a bit. However, obviously, observing further, you can see at the end of the Valance floor, there is a kink on left hand side. So as that floor is lifted up, so it's been pushed in. So obviously the repairs are not done to the good standard. Obviously visually from the distance, obviously it's not visible. However, in my opinion, the way the vehicle has been repaired, I don't think there's any value buying this vehicle as is, you know, as everything needs to be stripped down and again and check it, you know. Regards to suspension, rear suspension seems to be fine. There's nothing seems to be moved, as in the gaps on the wheels on both sides between arches. Rest of it, tires are fine for the insurance write-off. Brakes are good, and yeah, have a look on other things. So the way it performs and drives, I will put it in a summary for you. You know, thanks for using this. You know, regards to this Volvo V60, you know, if you would be buying it obviously yourself, straight from auction, and fixing it yourself, probably it would make sense financially, you know, because now you're buying it from somebody where the repair haven't been done properly. Obviously it is usable, but I don't, like I said, you know, there's no sort of value in it, you know. You got obviously very naggy things, but I will leave you to decide, you know. Once you view the report, just review the rest of the report and you may give me a call back.